The world is a noisy place. Fortunately, Armacell's ArmaSound MTD acoustical tape offers an easy-to-install, cost-effective solution to minimize the noise in buildings. Our industry measures how well a partition wall reduces sound by testing to determine its sound transmission class, or STC rating. The higher the rating, the quieter the space. There are several construction methods used to reduce the level of noise passing through walls and improve the STC rating. But each of these requires extra labor and time, which can be expensive. That's why Armacell has developed a new solution for the reduction of sound transmission through walls. ArmaSound MTD mechanical and thermal decoupling tape is a cost-effective solution for reducing sound transmission through walls that provides a 7-point improvement in STC rating and results in quieter spaces. Installation is fast and easy. Simply apply ArmaSound MTD tape to one side of the studs. The self-adhesive backing on MTD tape means that no special tools are required for application. First, apply the tape to the top and bottom plates. Then, just tape all of the vertical studs. Hang the drywall over the studs using a minimum fastener length of 1 5/8 inches. So how does it work? By decoupling the stud from the wallboard, noise has a harder time passing through the wall. A typical wall with one layer of drywall on each side yields an approximate STC rating of 44. Adding MTD tape to one side brings that STC rating to 51. Walls with 2 layers of drywall yield an average STC rating of 48. Adding MTD to these walls increases the STC rating to 55. That's a much quieter space. You can use MTD tape anywhere sound needs to be reduced in adjacent rooms or where privacy is needed, including healthcare, schools, commercial offices, hotels, multifamily housing, and more. To learn more about ArmaSound MTD acoustical tape or how to specify it for your project, visit www.armacell.us.